Hi everyone, welcome back to Falcon's House. Recently, Adobe changed the encoder for Premiere Pro to take advantage of GPU hardware acceleration for both AMD and NVIDIA instead of just Intel QuickSync. This has massively improved encoding times to the point that I may no longer need the highest core count CPU when I upgrade. Here is a short 2-minute and 45-second trailer that I am encoding in 4K, comparing the time that it takes with and without hardware encoding on my much older 4790K and GTX 970, where I had fairly long times to encode previously. So it started at about 16 seconds, so it was about, 2:09, 2 minutes and 9 seconds is what it took to encode it with hardware encoding. And now I will do it without hardware encoding. This is effectively where the other one had already completed, and we're only at 31% here. I'm going to speed this ahead in the video, and we'll see what it is when it finishes. $7 minutes and 36 seconds is what it took to do this in software only, compared to 2 minutes and 9 seconds. So a little over 3.5 times longer. So when you do longer videos, if I did a 10-minute video, say, which is roughly 3 times as long, now we're looking at something that's taking 21, 22 minutes versus something that's taking 7 or 8 minutes. It's a significant amount of time shortening, and with faster hardware, it's only going to accelerate it more. Probably a faster GPU is what's going to accelerate it even more. And it's possible, probably with like a 3950X and a brand new 2080 Ti, probably to have sub 10-minute encodes on 15-minute, 20-minute long videos. Basically meaning that I won't have to wait for encodes for very much, and it really doesn't mean that I need as high end of a CPU going forward. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.